In this video, I introduce a subworld segmentation based on Unigram language model. Subworld segmentation is a potentially ambiguous and multiple possible segmentations may correspond to the same vocabulary. For example, hello world can be segmented as a two formulation. Or we can use the ambiguity as a noise to generate accurate subwords. A Unigram language model optimizes the subwords Yn with maximum probability as shown here. This is a language model, this input and this output, this probability distribution over output units. Subwords probability of output Y condition the input X can be calculated from this formulation. Select the model parameters set that maximize likelihood error through this formulation. The decoding process splits source sentence X to the best segmentation X asterisk that maximizes the probability P. X asterisk calculated from this formulation, which is used as a subwords regularization. Byte pair encoding first splits the input sentence into individual characters, and then most frequent adjacent pairs of characters are constitutively merged until reach a desired vocabulary size. However, BPE is based on a greedy and deterministic simple replacements, which cannot provide multiple segmentations with probabilities. It's not trivial to apply BPE to subwords regularization that depends on segmentation probabilities P. A subwords segmentation algorithm is based on a Unigram language model, which outputs multiple subwords segmentations with probabilities. The probability of a subwords sequence X is formulated as a product of a subword occurrence probabilities P as shown here, where V is a pre-deterministic vocabulary. The most probable segmentation X as a risk for the input sentence X is given by this formulation, namely with a minimum entropy, where Sx is set of segmentation candidates and Sx as a risk is obtained from Viterbi algorithm as shown here. This is best segmentation from Viterbi algorithm. A BPE takes the vocabulary V containing ordered merges and applies them to new tasks in the same order as they occurred during vocabulary construction. The Unigram language model method begins with a superset of the final vocabulary, pruning it to the desired size. Unigram language model method takes the vocabulary and the model parameter set and performs Viterbi inference to decode the segmentation with maximum likelihood. Here is a comparison of the BPE and Unigram language model methods. From here, we can see Unigram language model method is better than the BPE method. This is the pseudocode of byte pair encoding method, and this is pseudocode of the Unigram language model method. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.